promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusing? Your emotion.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm picking up where I left off in the last video. I'm going to be adding the Billy bookcase today, and I'm going to be adding an Ikea lac shelf above the closet build, and I'm also going to be adding some wallpaper and some additional lighting. If you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching. And guys, today is going to be the final reveal of this closet makeover. But like I said, I have a few finishing touches, and once I get those things done, you will see the final reveal towards the end of the video. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching till the end of the video. And also, guys, comment on the video and let me know what you like, what you didn't like about the closet, and what you would do different, if anything. Alright, y'all, let's get into the video.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, babe.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's love to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, babe. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause
I apologize for taking so long to get this video out, but y'all, I'm a one-woman show and I work, so I try to do these projects around my days off. And I know you guys see me with the same clothes on a lot of times in these videos, but I wear this stuff when I'm, doing projects around the house. It's clean. I do wash it. So I just want y'all to know that. But you probably gonna, when I do these DIY videos, you probably gonna see me with the same clothes on all the time, because I wear certain clothes when I'm doing DIY projects and cleaning up around the house. So as you can see, I installed these LED lights that I purchased from Amazon. It came with two, and it has a switch that you can control from the wall. And the switch came with sticky tape and screws. You can either screw it or you can use the sticky tape. I chose to use the sticky tape. And I really like how it came out. I'm going to add some more lighting. But that's, like I said, that's going to be in another video, because I'm not 100% finished with this closet. I just didn't want to hold this video up too long because it's been a while and I just wanted to get it out. So I hope you guys like it. And if you like it, again, please leave comments, like the video, thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot of content for y'all. But if y'all don't like the videos and y'all don't share the videos and y'all don't comment, then YouTube will not recommend the videos. So if you like the content that I'm putting out, please subscribe to the channel, like the content. Alright y'all, let's finish this up so I can show you what the closet looks like. And since it's spring, I'm pretty much putting all my spring and summer stuff in the closet. I took all my winter stuff out because I have to change my clothes with the seasons, because I don't have a big closet. So you're pretty much going to see a lot of summer and spring stuff in the closet.
Don't come home, I miss your body and I love you so. Baby I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Are y'all ready for the reveal? But before I do that, let me show y'all what the closet looked like before I made all these changes.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it? Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all, it all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, I feel it.
Alright, y'all, that's all from me. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this video inspired you in some way. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.